Good morning to all. Now we are going to see about the topic Geography Lesson 1 Physical Geography of Tamil Nadu. First, introduction. In this lesson and how that follow, we shall learn about the geography of Tamil Nadu. You will get to know about the etymology, history of formation, location, size, physical divisions, rivers, climate, soil and natural vegetation of Tamil Nadu in this chapter. First, formation of Tamil Nadu. During the Sangam age, the Tamilagam was ruled by three great emperors, Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas, and Viju's kings ruling small kingdoms like Adiyaman and Pari. For the short time, the Tamil country was ruled by the Kalabaras, but not much about their time is recorded or known. After the Kalabaras, the Tamil country came under the control of Pallavas, Cholas, Pandyas, Marathas, Mughals and Vijayanagara empires in succession until the British took administrative control over the entire country, starting from Madras. During the British period, our country was divided into three presidencies, namely Madras, Bombay and Calcutta for political and military purpose. Tamil Nadu and parts of Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka and Odisha constituted the Madras Presidency. The Madras state was renamed as Tamil Nadu by C.N. Annadurai, the former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, on January 14, 1969. Next, location and size of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is one of the 28 states of India. Located in the southernmost part of country, this landmass extends from 8 degree 4 minutes north to 13 degree 35 minutes north latitudes and from 76 degree 18 minutes east to 80 degree 20 minutes east longitudes. The northern extremity of the state is marked by Pulicat Lake and southernmost point is Cap Comorin. It covers an area of 130,058 square kilometer and is the 11th largest state in India. Tamil Nadu covers 4% of the area of our country. Next, boundaries and neighbors. Tamil Nadu is bounded by Bay of Bengal in the east, Kerala in the west, Andhra Pradesh in the north, Karnataka in the northwest and Indian Ocean in the south. Gulf of Mannar and Palk Strait separate Tamil Nadu from the islands of Sri Lanka, which lies to the southeast of India. The state has 1076 kilometer long coastline, the second longest in India after Gujarat. Administrative division. Already we have learned that the state of Tamil Nadu has only 13 districts at the time of its formation. After that, the state was recognized several times for the purpose of administrative convenience. At present, there are 38 districts in Tamil Nadu. At present, there are 38 districts in Tamil Nadu. Students, in your book have 35. That's wrong. Change. 38. Okay. The administrative divisions of the state are given in the following divisions, like districts, revenue divisions, taluks, figas, revenue villages, municipal corporations and municipalities, panchayat union, town panchayat, village panchayat, Lok Sabha constitutions, assembly constitutions. Okay. Next, physiographic division. Students, we have learnt about endogenetic and exogenetic process in 9th standard, you know. All districts of Tamil Nadu except Chennai, Nilgiris, Kanyakumari were bifurcated at different points of time. Tamil Nadu is located on the peninsular plateau known as Deccan Plateau. It is also a part of ancient Gondwana land that broke away 135 million years ago during the Cretaceous period. Tamil Nadu is divided into the physical divisions of Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, plateaus, coastal and inland plains. Next, Western Ghats. Western Ghats extends from Nilgiris in the north to Marunduwal Malai at Samithopu in Kanyakumari district in the south. Height of the Western Ghats ranges from 2000 to 3000 meters. It covers an area about 2500 square kilometer, though the Western Ghats is a continuous mountain range. The Nilgiris, Anaimalai, Palani Hills, Gardamom Hills, Varsanadu Hills, Andipatti and Agasthyar Hills are the major hills of Western Ghats. Next, Nilgiri Hills. Nilgiri Hills is located in the northwestern part of Tamil Nadu. It consists of 24 peaks with more than 2000 meters height. Dottabetta is the highest peak, 2637 meters of this hills, followed by Mukurthi 2554 meters. Ooty and Kunnur are the major hill stations located on these hills. It has more than 2700 species of flowering plants and the state animal Nilgiri Tahr is found in this hill. But nowadays, much of the Nilgiris natural mountain grasslands and shrublands has been disturbed or destroyed by extensive tea plantations and cattle grazings. Next, Anaimalai. Anaimalai is located in the border of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. It is located to the south of Palkad Gap. Anaimalai Tiger Reserve, Aliyar Reserved Forest, Valparai Hill Station, Kadamparai Hydroelectric Power Plant are located on these hills. Aliyar and Tirumurti dams are located at the foothills of this range. Next, Palani Hills. Palani Hills are the eastward extension of the Western Ghats. Except its western part, These hills are located in Dindigul district. Vandaravu, 2533 meters in the highest peak in the Palani Hills. Bembadi Chola, 2505 meters is the second highest peak in Palani Hills. The hill station of Kodaikanal, 2150 meters, lies in the south central portion of this range. Next, Gardamom Hills. These hills are also known as Yalamala Hills, located in the southwestern part of Tamil Nadu. It acquires its name from the cardamom spice, which is commonly grown here. Pepper and coffee are the major crops cultivated over the hills. Next, Varsanadu and Andipatti Hills. Another eastward extension of Western Ghats is Varsanadu and Andipatti Hills. Megha Malai, the highway mountain, Kalugumalai, Kurangani Hill Station, and Suruli and Kumbakari waterfalls are found on these hills. Srivilliputtur Grizzled Squirrel Wildlife Sanctuary is located in the southern slope of these hills in Virudhunagar district. Next, Podigai Hills. Its major part lies in Tirunelveli district with its southern slope in the Kanyakumari district. Podigai Hills are called with different names such as the Siva Jodi Parvat, Agastya Hills and Southern Kailas. Kalakadu Mundandurai Tiger Reserve is located in this region. Next, Mahendragiri Hills. This continuous range is situated along the border of Kanyakumari and Tirunelveli districts and it's a part of southern range of Western Ghats. Its average height is 1645 meters, ISRO propulsion complex. The propulsion complex, a test facility for Indian Space Research Organizations, launch vehicles and satellite propulsion systems, is situated on the lower slopes of this mountain. Next, Eastern Ghats. Eastern Ghats is a discontinuous and irregular one. It is dissected at many places by the rivers which drain into the Bay of Bengal. Its height ranges from 1100 to 1600 meters. This hill separates the plains from plateaus. Javadu, Servarayan and Kalrayan, Kollimalai and Pachamalai are the major hills of the Eastern Ghats of Tamil Nadu. Next, Javadu Hills. Javadu Hills are an extension of the Eastern Ghats spread across the parts of Vellore and Tiruvannamalai districts and separates these two districts. Many peaks with the height of 1100 to 1150 meters are located in this range. Melpattu is the highest peak. The Vainu-Pappu Observatory VBO Kavalur, which began operation in 1967, is located on these hills. Many parts of this range are covered with bluish grey granites. It is noted for its fruit-bearing trees, medicinal herbs, and sandalwoods. Due to illegal logging, sandalwood trees are disappeared now. Next, Kalvarayan Hills. The name Kalvarayan comes from the word Karalar, the ancient name of the present tribes. It is another major range of these hills in the eastern Ghats of Tamil Nadu. This range, along with the Pachai Malai, Aralvai Malai, Javadu and Servarayan hills, separates the river basins of Kaveri and Palar. The height of this range from 600 to 1220 meters. These hills have two sections. What are they? The northern section is referred as Chinna Kalvarayan and the southern one the Periya Kalvarayan. Next, Servarayan Hills. It is a mountain range located near the Salem city with the height ranging from 1200 to 1620 meters. The name of the range comes from a local deity. Local deity. Students, what do you mean deity? Deity means a god or goddess. Servarayan. The highest peak in the southern part of the eastern Ghats is located in this range. The peak is Solai Karadu and its height is 1620 meters. The hill station Yerkad, which is known as Poor Man's Booty, is located on this range. Servarayan temple is its highest point, 1623 meters. Next, Kolli Hills. It is a small mountain range located in Namakkal district. It covers an area of about 2,800 square kilometer. It rises up to 1,300 meters. Arpaleswara temple located on this range is an important pilgrim center. The several coffee plantations, fruits, flowers and silver oak estates are found in this region. Next, Pachai Malai. It is the lowest hill range, spreads over the districts of Perambalur, Trichapalli and Salem. In Tamil language, Pachai means green. The vegetation in this range is greener than the vegetative cover of the other hills in this region. Hence, it is named as Pachai Malai. Jackfruit is a popular seasonal agricultural product of these hills. Next revision. Students, listen here. What are the boundaries of Tamil Nadu? Tamil Nadu is bounded by Bay of Bengal in the east, Kerala in the west, Andhra Pradesh in the north, Karnataka in the northwest, and Indian Ocean in the south. Okay. At present, how many districts in Tamil Nadu? 38 districts in Tamil Nadu. What are the physiographic divisions of Tamil Nadu? Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, plateaus, coastal and inland plains. Which is the 38th district? 38th district, Mailadurai. Bifurcation of Nagapattinam district to create a new district with Mailadurai as its headquarters. What do you mean bifurcation? Bifurcation means divided into two branches or two parts. Students, listen here. All are take your diary. Note today's homework. Volume 2, Geography Lesson 1, page number 85 to 90. Read thoroughly. I will conduct MCQ test tomorrow.